my friends, I am joining you outside of the Better Homes and Gardens test kitchen today to show you how to make the perfect grilled tenderloin.
I'm going to put mine in a resealable plastic bag and pour one of my favorite pork marinades over it. If you prefer a rub, you can do that too. I'm going to seal up the bag and throw it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to really get those flavors to penetrate. Next, we're going to preheat the grill for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to add the pork tenderloin, making sure to cook it over indirect heat. We want to cook it for about 30 to 35 minutes. We want to flip it once halfway through cooking to ensure we're cooking it nice and even. Your pork tenderloin will be done once it temps to 145. Cover it with a little aluminum foil and let it stand for about 10 minutes just to prevent it from drying out once we slice it.
And that's it, guys. A few minutes on the grill and you have yourself the perfect grilled tenderloin. Thanks for staying with me outside, and I'll see you guys next time.